How to Make a Sandwich by Gabriel B. Manialag II. This sandwich making session is all about making a chicken sandwich. The ingredients are simple. All you need is a pack of oven roast chicken breast by the Lando Frost Company. And these are special because these are lean and cured. You need to have lean and cured to make sure that your heart stays healthy. The next ingredient is bread. This bread is white wheat bread. As you can see, it's healthy white. It's not like regular white bread. This is healthy white bread. You need this to make the outer portions of the sandwich. Moving on. Here is Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese originated from the land of Switzerland, and there are characteristic traits, or let me rephrase that. The characteristic traits of the Swiss cheese are the holes present inside them. Hold on. The characteristic parts of the Swiss cheese, by the way, is natural. Make sure that when you buy Swiss cheese, it is natural, not synthetic. As you can see, moving on, that the characteristic part of the Swiss cheese are the holes. And if you want to take a closer look of the holes, you will have to zoom in closer. There you go. Now, moving on. In step 2 of the sandwich making process is 1. Have yourself a plate. We prefer red because it accentuates the color of the white wheat bread. Okay? Now, what you have to do then is to untie the twist tie that is attached to the white wheat bread, and then take it out like so. You have to unravel the bag into a tube-like form so extraction of the bread can be achieved. This is 1, 2 pieces of bread. 2 pieces of bread. Step 3 is the attachment of the meat particles onto the bread. And the way you have to do this is unravel the chicken breast container like so. It is open. You take as much chicken that you desire, and right now I desire 1 piece of chicken because I am healthy. Step 2 is the coupling of the cheese ingredient to the meat ingredient. So what you have to do is, the common mistake that people make is to grab the cheese directly, but that is unsanitary. What you need to do is, the wonderful makers of Winn-Dixie natural Swiss cheese kindly put little wax pieces of paper in between the cheese. That allows for sanitary extraction of the cheese ingredient, therefore making your sandwich much more safe and healthier to eat because there's not a lot of germs. Keep in mind, I did wash my hands before making this video. Now, step 4 is the towering of the bread on top of one another. So what you have to do, take the second piece of bread. I like to put the second piece of bread to the left of the first piece of bread because I am left-handed. So, what you have to do is take the first piece of bread above and place it gently on top of the sandwich, like so. Now, this particular sandwich is about yay thick. Some sandwiches vary. This is yay thick, and I am pleased with it, and hopefully you are too. When watching this video, you'll get hungry. So how did this how to make a chicken sandwich video affect your life?
I thought the sandwich was amazing. It was the best sandwich I'd ever had, ever.
This video also reached the far lands of Costa Rica. So how did this sandwich affect you, Fabiola?
Well, I'm veggie, first of all, but this sandwich was great.
Could you say it in Spanish for your fellow countrymen?
Okay, yo soy vegetariana, pero el sándwich estaba delicioso.
Gracias.